Hey there! Looking to manage your projects like a pro? Today, I'll show you how to get started with Monday.com, a powerful platform that makes project management simple and efficient. Let's dive into this step-by-step tutorial, so by the end, you'll be ready to tackle any project with confidence. First up, creating your account. Head over to Monday.com and sign up. Easy, right? They even offer a free trial so you can explore the features without committing. After confirming your email, set up your workspace. Choose a name, and if you're working with a team, invite them right away. Collaboration starts here. Once inside, you'll see the dashboard. It's your control center. This is where you'll access boards, tasks, and notifications. Don't worry, the interface is super user-friendly and designed to help you stay organized. Now let's get to the heart of Monday.com boards. Click the plus add button to create one. You can start with a blank board or use a template, whatever fits your project. Boards are like digital whiteboards, divided into groups, items, and sub-items to keep things neat and tidy. Time to add tasks. Simply click the item field, name your task, and assign due dates or team members. Want to track extra details? Use custom columns like status, dates, or text fields. These let you see progress at a glance. Teamwork makes the dream work, right? Use the update section within tasks to chat with teammates, ask questions, and share files. Don't forget to tag them, so they'll get notifications. Oh, and speaking of notifications, the notification panel keeps you updated on task changes and comments. Want to see your data in different ways? Switch between Kanban, Gantt chart, or calendar views. Each view gives you a fresh perspective on your project. Filters are another game changer. Use them to focus on specific tasks or team members. Dashboards are a lifesaver for tracking progress. They let you pull data from multiple boards into visual widgets. This is perfect for keeping an eye on performance metrics or overall project health. Why waste time on repetitive tasks when you can automate them? Monday.com lets you set up triggers, like notifying team members when a task is updated. Plus, you can integrate tools like Slack or Google Drive for a seamless workflow. Need a space for brainstorming? Monday Work Docs are perfect for creating and collaborating on ideas in real time. It's like having a virtual whiteboard at your fingertips. And if you ever need more help, check out Monday.com's blog or YouTube tutorials for tips and tricks. Trust me, there's a treasure trove of resources waiting for you. That's it. You now have a solid foundation to use Monday.com effectively. Start exploring, get organized, and watch your productivity soar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.